Hey beautifuls, it's Anasia. On today's video, I did this classic red lip gold eyeshadows, just this holiday glam look. It's super easy, super pretty, just a glam, glowy glam, as you can see. So, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Hi everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using my ABH Dipbrow pomade in the color Ebony. Here it is, and I'm using the number 12 brush that comes with it. So how I fill in my eyebrows is I just do the underline, and then I do an overline, and then I do hair-like strokes. I do not go in the front of my eyebrows because I don't want to have a boxy eyebrow and be looking like a clown, because that's not cute. Also, y'all, I haven't had my eyebrows waxed since May, so please bear with me. I know I look like a caterpillar. So now what I'm going to do is conceal my eyebrows, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. So I first start at the beginning of my eyebrow, then I slowly make my way to the back. I was going slow, I just sped the video up. And silly me, I cut off the end of my eyebrow, but don't worry because I'm very talented, and I put my eyebrow back into place. So after that, I just drag the concealer down to my eyelid just to prep my eyelid for my eyeshadow. So now what I'm doing is I'm using this small but dense blending brush, and I'm just smoothing that base out just to prepare for my eyeshadow. So boom, here I am zoomed all the way in. I'm using a reddish brown shade on my crease, and I'm not going to do it on one eye. I'm going to do it on both, as you can see, because why would I do it on one eye? And I'm just blending that upwards toward my brow bone just to give a even transition. So now you guys, I'm using a different blending brush. It's also smaller. And I'm going into this brown shade from the Pixie palette. And I'm just going to put that right under where I put the reddish brown shade just to give it a little dimension. So now you guys, what you want to make sure you do is always go back in with the brush that you started with and just make sure that everything is blended. So that's what I'm doing here. So now, because that brown was not dark enough for me, I'm going into my black Radiance contour palette, and I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm adding that to my outer V just to give that part of my eye a little more dimension. So now guys, what I'm going to do is a cut crease, but I'm not doing a cut crease, but I am at the same time. The thing is, I really didn't want to do a cut crease, but I did want to put down some type of foundation so that the gold eyeshadow that I'm going to put down on top of this would be popping. Okay. So now for eyeshadow, I'm using this little eyeshadow palette I got from class when I was working there. I'm using a gold color. It's like a foil color. And I'm using this little flat eyeshadow brush to apply it. Now I'm going back in with that brown shade and putting it in the outer V area just to add that definition back. But since that brown didn't work, I went into my Morphe 35B palette. I took the black shade and I put that right on top of where I just applied that brown. Because that brown is not doing the job for me this whole tutorial, you guys. I think I'm going to just throw that whole, I don't know, it's just not working for me. And then I went back in with my blending brush and blended everything out. So now I'm going in with this Covergirl highlighting bronzer kit. I'm taking a gold shade. It's like a loose pigment and I'm putting it right on top of my eyelid where I put that gold shade, the first gold shade. So now onto the face. I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and I'm putting that in my T-zone, which is on the side of my nose and my forehead, and I'm just blending that in. And then I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow stuff that makes your face glow, and I'm also going to put that on the highest points of my face. And I'm just going to dot it around and then put it on my forehead and then blend it all in. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the number 360. And I'm applying it with the concealer brush. And I'm blending it out with a fat angled kabuki brush, like a foundation brush. Also, just to further blend out my foundation so I don't look like a mess, I'm using my beauty sponge just to make sure that everything is seamless. So now I'm just taking that same concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, in the shade Toffee, and I'm just highlighting under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques beauty sponge and I'm just blending out that concealer. I also went back in with that same brush that I did my foundation with just to make sure that everything was seamless. And yes, I'm dancing and singing, so leave me alone. So now I'm taking my ABH contour palette. Here it is. I'm taking the middle shade. And I'm taking my brush and I'm doing a swoop right under my chin on both sides. I'm going to do down on my forehead, down my noses, and on my chin somewhat because I got a big chin too. So yeah. And then I'm just going to use that same brush that I used to blend out my foundation and blend all that stuff in. Now to set that contour, I'm using my black Radiance contour palette. And I'm taking a small angle brush and I'm just going to powder contour. Now I'm zooming back in. I'm going to use this white eyeliner and I'm going to put that in my waterline, and I'm going to use my beauty sponge to hold my face instead of my finger to avoid having a fingerprint on my face to look like somebody slapped me. So I went ahead and put some lipstick on and lip liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and use that same CoverGirl highlighter and bronzer palette. And I'm using a gold shade to highlight my face. I really only dab my brush in there, y'all. And it's so pigmented. That's why I went ahead with my beauty sponge and I blended it out so it doesn't look as intense. And that's the finished product, you guys. Here I am just dabbing my beauty sponge all over to make sure all of the places that I highlighted was good, and I actually put some under my brow bone too.
So if you guys like this video, just go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, you guys. You will be seeing me a lot more often. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.